Google Keep is a simple yet very powerful application that allows you to keep and manage notes. So Google Keep is a web-based application, and to access it, first of all, you need to be signed in onto your Google account. And once that is done, you can go around onto your address bar and then type in keep.google.com. So just go around, type in keep.google.com and press enter, and what happens is that your Google Keep will open up in the browser. And Google Keep is a browser-based application, and you can download a mobile app version of the application as well. You can follow along with this lesson in both of the versions easily. So this is what you have, as you can see. And now with Google Keep, what you can do is simply you have access, and now you can start taking notes. And that is what we're going to learn in throughout the course, on how to take notes and how we can take different type of notes, arrange out information in different ways, and then manage the notes that we have and find the contents in the notes that we have easily. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.